Hello everyone, my name is Lana Beltrami and I would like to welcome you to the video walkthrough of Amethyst, which is my final master's project application. Amethyst is an iOS native application aimed at women suffering from dysmenorrhea, also commonly known as menstrual pains. The design takes inspiration from previous literature that indicates that virtual reality mindfulness meditations can be useful in helping people cope with different types of chronic pain. This app instead focuses on one type of chronic pain, which is, as I said, dysmenorrhea, and instead uses augmented reality and other features to try and replicate a similar outcome. Firstly, the app features local notifications which are delivered at midday and in the evening. The app opens with a login screen that uses local authentication, either biometric or via passcode, to keep the user's sensitive health information private, and there's also a short tutorial for the user to acclimatize themselves with the main features of the app. The first of the augmented reality meditations found on the homepage is the portal walk that will be demonstrated in a few seconds.
Welcome to your portal walk. Today, as we might have already done before, we will take a short journey somewhere far away, yet only a few steps in front of you. Let us begin by looking around and paying close attention to the portal gate in front of you. You don't have to enter in just yet. Instead, take the time to observe it and notice two things about it. Say them out loud if it helps. Acknowledge these observations. Before we finally enter, focus on where you are standing in this moment. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Feel it making full contact with your soles and feet.
So as you can hear, the portal has a spatial audio in the form of a guided mindfulness meditation that was recorded especially for this purpose. Instead, the second meditation is this crystal breathing exercise, and as you can see, the crystal becomes more vivid and the user is invited to breathe in and instead release their breath as it fades out. And this can be done to, have a quick pick-me-up and gather their thoughts and feelings if the user needs to. The homepage also features a quote, as you can see here, that can be randomized and help the user in their mindfulness practice. There are also tips on either mindfulness or coping with menstrual pain, and these tips can be shared. And below these are a list of important resources in the form of links that can be opened in the app quite conveniently, and these are information on either mindfulness practices and tips or menstrual cycle information. So the purpose of the care page is to help the user achieve an overall understanding of their pain and how it affects them. So first of all, they have a predicted date for their next period based on information that they can put on in the settings page, which I'll show you in a bit. And they can set an alert for when their next period will begin. And here is an instance on how this is achieved. So there we go. And the other important parts of this page are, of course, the daily care card. On the care card, the user is able to check off a set of activities that they should complete each day to achieve 100% care completion. And these activities are positive habits that can help them feel better and lower the intensity of pain at the next occurrence of their cramps. So here's an example. And yes, they can also log daily measurements. In here we've got pain level, stress level, tiredness level, mood, and hours slept each night. All of this information is then plotted and put together in the Insights page, which is right here. And this page also shows important messages regarding the user's well-being. The last page of the app is the settings page. In the settings page, the user can insert the information about their period that you saw in the previous screen in the care page. And once they submit the length of their cycle and their period and the starting date, they can then see it updated in the chart and another reminder. It also has, once again, the tutorial in case they've missed it or in case they need a refresher on things. And it also has a quick feature called Pharmacies Near Me that shows a map of the area and where the nearest pharmacies are in the user's area. Also, it shows a few pop-ups to thank everyone that contributed to the project, from the music to the icons that were provided and the 3D models and assets. And here it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.